And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the police have identified the two toddlers who were found dead in Swap District, Monique St. Anne.
Dead are 1-year-old Amir Saunders and 3-year-old Shamir Henry.
Their parents are in police custody this evening following what police believe was a substance-induced domestic violence incident last night.
Krista Campbell has our story.
Police and soldiers, the K9 unit, drones, and an entire community searching. A search for toddler siblings who went missing from this house in Swamp District, Monique St. Anne, Tuesday night. Police say the kids' mother made a report about their father just before 8 p.m. and when the police arrived at the house,
they would have observed blood in a room, and they observed a young man who was later identified as a male, who it is alleged would have stabbed 2 minors. A 1-year-old child, male child by the name of Amir Saunders, and a 3-year-old male child by the name of Shamir Henry.
Now, after a frantic search, it was the Jamaica Defense Force cadaver dogs that led investigators to the children's bodies in bushes at the back of the yard. Police believe both parents were drinking ganja tea, but the children's mother says afterwards their father became hysterical and boisterous before attacking the toddlers in their crib.
As we believe that the couple had an argument and it would have resulted in what transpired here. The report was made by the female that when she was fleeing from the scene, he was stabbing the children with scissors.
Both parents have been taken into custody, but police say the children's father is the main suspect. Meanwhile, a community is in shock.
In love him baby them. What day? His baby birthday. He keep up one big birthday for his baby. His birthday. Every baby I got a clinic in go. Anywhere at all. A baby I go with him, did it with the mother.
He's a nice young man that I even gave a recommendation for a job at the hotel, and he's doing very well. So something went wrong. I don't know what is this, but the community is in awe at this happening.
He need a smoke cigarette, tobacco, nothing. He no smoke when he go one quiet like a pitney. So it surprised me now. If you come here say then find ganja tea. And drink ganja tea.
Police are encouraging neighbors to be proactive and report volatile disputes so mediators can intervene to prevent them from becoming fatal. They're encouraged to use the Domestic Violence Prevention Center in St. Anne's Bay, as well as the Restorative Justice Center and victim support units in the parish. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.